Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 9 fruits that can help with weight loss. 1. Apples. The first fruit on our list is apples. Apples are a low-calorie fruit that are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and reduce your overall calorie intake. 1. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are high in antioxidants and can help boost your metabolism, making it easier to lose weight. 1. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is another great fruit for weight loss. It's high in vitamin C and can help lower insulin levels, which can lead to weight loss. 1. Kiwi. Kiwi is a low-calorie fruit that's high in fiber and vitamin C. It's also a natural appetite suppressant, making it a great fruit to include in your weight loss diet. 1. Oranges. Oranges are another great fruit for weight loss. They're high in vitamin C and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied for longer periods of time. 1. Papaya. Papaya is a low-calorie fruit that's high in fiber and can help regulate digestion. It's also high in vitamin C and antioxidants, making it a great fruit to add to your weight loss diet. 1. Pineapple. Pineapple is another fruit that can help with weight loss. It's high in vitamin C and bromelain, which can help boost metabolism and aid in digestion. 1. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a low-calorie fruit that's high in antioxidants and can help regulate blood sugar levels. It's also a great fruit to include in your weight loss diet. 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is a low-calorie fruit that's high in water content, making it a great fruit to help you feel full and satisfied. It's also high in vitamin C and can help reduce inflammation in the body. So those are 9 fruits that can help with weight loss. Remember to incorporate these fruits into a balanced diet and regular exercise routine to achieve your weight loss goals. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.